Hi, this is Chad Sebring with TweakTown, and I'm bringing you the Corsair AirFlow Pro video review. This LED device works in conjunction with the Dominator airflow fan and a set of DHX technology memory from Corsair. Corsair was nice enough to supply us with a set of 1600 MHz DDR3 with 787 timings with DHX technology so we could test the system all together. As you boot the system, you notice the temperature LEDs in the middle do a check, running through all the colors that it will display, denoting the temperature of your memory. On the outside at the top and at the bottom, it displays green, orange, and red activity LEDs that, depending on how much your memory is being used, the more LEDs it will display. Something to note is that the RAM cooler with the LED display on top is almost as tall as the video card. This will do some blocking of the CPU cooler and may cause some other issues, but I had no issues installing it on mine, and with the distance between the fan and the CPU cooler, I could install a tower cooler, but it would block the bottom portion of the airflow. As we get into Windows, you notice the activity does a little bit of a spike, and then it should settle down to an almost inactive state, just barely flickering the green LEDs. The purplish blue lights in the middle indicate that the RAM is in fact very cold at this point. Testing it in my basement, there's an ambient of 20 degrees C, and I have to tell you the RAM is at that temperature right now as well. To put the memory under a bit of stress so you can see what it looks like operational, I'm going to run a little bit of SuperPi mod 1.5 and see just how the activity goes while the RAM is stressed. And there it is, SuperPi underway. The LED activity lights kick into full action, displaying that the memory is in fact very active at this point. Something you will notice is that there is a bit of fan noise coming from the system right now, and I assure you it is based on the Corsair RAM fan. As I unplug it, you'll notice the noise level has dropped dramatically. Typically, if we were in a closed system environment, at this point, the center LEDs that are purplish blue would actually start to turn different colors. Along with the activity LEDs, the center displays a thermal status of the memory underneath the fan. With the fan off and at 20-degree ambient in the testing facility, I wasn't able to show you the RAM actually heating up and the LEDs changing. What you will notice when you get this home and you put it in a closed environment is that the LEDs normally are operational in the green color range, which actually equates to 30 degrees Celsius. As things heat up and you stress your memory inside of a closed system, the LEDs may turn to a yellow color, which denotes 35 degrees, and then orange, and then red, red being about 45 degrees Celsius. While the fan is a bit noisy, and the whole system together is quite large, and may block some of your air cooling opportunities for the CPU, I still like the idea, and if you have a case with an open window, this definitely rings back to the old days of DDR with programmable LEDs on Corsair RAM. This is Chad Sebring at TweakTown, and thank you for stopping in and watching the video review of the Corsair AirFlow Pro. Please check back to see other videos from myself, as well as other members from the TweakTown staff.